Many people are interested in China, but many people would think Chinese is the most difficult language in the world. Have you tried learning Chinese? Perhaps you don't have the chance to find a teacher and a suitable time. Maybe you have many problems that you don't understand. Now you can join Mook. Spend 7 weeks, 10 minutes every day. You're going to learn titles including personal information, daily life, food, shopping, city, weather, and hobby. If the time is suitable for you, you can learn online everywhere in the world. And you can also practice and give the questions online. And what is better, this is the speaking course for beginners. You don't have to learn Chinese characters. This will make the learning easier. Then why wait? Let's start.
你好，欢迎大家和我一起学习汉语。第一课，个人信息。